Welcome back to Beaumont's Home Kitchen. Today we're making Rice Krispie treats. Let's do it. 5 ingredients: chocolate, 4 ounces, about 5.5 cups of marshmallows. Big ones or small ones, no problem. 5 cups of Rice Krispies, half a cup of cocoa powder, and I have 4 tablespoons of butter in the pan. And we just got that all melted up now. Toss all our marshmallows in there. This is a very easy recipe. All I'm doing is melting all this marshmallows in the butter. Melt it all down. Give us a gooey mess, and then we add the chocolate. Very easy recipe. You can pretend you've slaved in the kitchen and bring these to parties in different places. No problem. So easy. Anyone can make this. It's getting gooey. Stir it till it gets all gooey. See, it's getting all gooey. Make sure they're all melted and continually stir so we don't want to burn. Cocoa powder, half a cup. 4 ounces baker's chocolate, or you can use chocolate chips, whichever. And we mix this up until everything is all nicely melted. Won't take too long. See, all melted up. Now, toss our Rice Krispie squares in. Mix this all up. Make sure they're all combined. Now when that's done, dump it into your pan. Get all the goodness in there. Now all we're going to do is spread it all out. Yeah, you can use a wooden spoon. That's okay. Just flatten it all out. Spatula, you can really get in there and press it all down. Pretty much going to let this cool off for an hour or so it's all like really cold, and then we'll dig in. Enjoy some chocolate Rice Krispie squares. Our chocolate Rice Krispie squares dry. You don't have to cool them off in the fridge. You can just leave them out at room temperature, and once they're cooled off, you can dig in. What's not to like? Yummy Rice Krispie squares. And chocolate to boot. Oh yeah, looking good. Give it a try. I'm sure it's good. Oh, sweet marshmallows and chocolate. Oh wow. Not too sweet, but very chocolatey. That's good. Thanks for watching Beaumont's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Love ya. And do make some lovely, nice Rice Krispie squares. So good. And doing all those things definitely helps out my channel, and it helps me out. What it does is that it'll push a video out to more people. That's definitely a way you can support and help my channel. That'd be awesome. This is my dessert. Bye.